Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you a useful feature that lets you automatically shut down your laptop or computer after a certain amount of time. This can be really helpful if you are downloading a file, installing something, or just want your PC to turn off on its own without staying awake. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu on your computer. Now search for Run and open it. In this box, type the following command. Type shutdown -s -t 3600. Here, 3600 means 1 hour in seconds. Now press enter. You will now see a message at the bottom right saying your PC will shut down in 60 minutes. This means your shutdown timer has been set successfully. After 1 hour, your computer will automatically turn off. If you want to cancel this shutdown timer, you can do that easily. Open the Run window again. Now type shutdown -a and press enter. This will cancel the scheduled shutdown instantly. So this is how you can set your PC to automatically shut down after a specific time. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.